Today we're going to talk about inexpensive ways to decorate for the summer season. Let's get started. The first thing that I like to decorate with are vintage books. I love to use older books. You can get them at garage sales or at the thrift stores. I also like to use brass candlestick holders, and I do have several of them. What I love about using these is that you can buy books in all different colors. You can get them for every season. They're relatively inexpensive if you find them at garage sales or at thrift stores, and they are just a wonderful way to decorate. I usually don't like to stack mine higher than 3 when I'm putting them on a table or on a mantel, but I just love the way they look. And you can even sometimes get them inexpensively in an antique mall too. Another thing that you can do is you can take something you already have. These are inexpensive containers that look like books. I purchased these many years ago, and you can always take these and repurpose them, which is what I'm doing here. So I'm going to take this navy. And even though this is a navy, this is not exactly the color navy that I want. I want it to be a little bit deeper. So another inexpensive thing that you can do is just take the paint that you have and add another color to it. Here I'm adding in some black, and then this is going to give me a deeper navy color that I'm actually looking for. I am a big advocate of taking things that you already have and repurposing them. That doesn't cost you any extra money, and you can turn it into a whole new decoration for your home. So we're going to paint this up. I actually have 2 pieces here. So there's a larger one and a smaller one. So I'm going to paint both of these pieces, and then I'm going to let these dry. And so we're going to come back to this a little bit later in the video after these have dried, and I'm going to show you what I do with them. Another thing that I like to decorate with are trays, and trays can be inexpensive if you get them at the thrift store. Again, garage sales are another way you could get them. Marketplace on Facebook. This is a 3-tiered tray, and this I did get at a retail store, and I love trays. You can really fit a lot of little, small, inexpensive pieces into trays. I just think that they really pack a punch, and they're genuinely a fun way to decorate from season to season. I do have a video on this. I can link it for you below. You see I have my Currier and Ives sugar bowl there and the little teacup. And of course I have it decked out for the 250th birthday of the United States. And that's kind of the theme we're going with here while we talk about inexpensive decor. But I think these are so much fun and very versatile. Another thing you can do is just use a simple tray, and this would be a very inexpensive tray. I love the warm wood coupled here with my blue and white gravy boat. Another idea is to use ribbon. Ribbon is very inexpensive. Here I have some frayed white ribbon that I've just tied around my iron candlestick holders. And these candlestick holders are another staple that I have. I think they're timeless. I use them year-round, and you can just change out the bow on them. This is my little gold bird, and I think he is very appropriate for the birthday of the United States. And I have a blue satin ribbon on the bird here. And satin is great all year round also. Layering it with another piece of ribbon will give you an original look, and it won't cost you a lot of money. Earlier in the spring, I had a completely different set of ribbons on this swag. These are actually just a couple of greenery picks, and just changing out the bow from season to season. I had, like I said, completely different bows in the springtime. I can link that video for you below if you're interested in seeing the difference. And again, there's my, this one's velvet. I didn't quite mind that it's velvet. I know it's summertime, but it still matches the theme and it looks nice. So I told you we would get back to those books. They are dry now. And again, this is also going under the ribbon theme. We're just going to tie a little white bow on top of these books and tie them together, and this will make a nice decor piece for my mantle here. I did make a new purchase. I bought these flags. I am loving these flags. They are from Etsy, and I will try to link those below if I can find them still. But they have a primitive vintage look to them, and they were not expensive at all. I think maybe they were $12 for the 3. But I just think they are so cute, and I think they look really nice in my blue and white vase here. Some honorable mentions for timeless and inexpensive decorating are baskets. Lighting is another thing. Baskets, you can certainly find many of those at the thrift store, or those are actually a lot of the types of things I find when I am garage sailing. These lights were about $6 for a string of them. They're battery operated. They came from Hobby Lobby. Now Crocs, you're going to find a lot of those in antique stores, and they're not necessarily cheap, but this crock was not expensive because this is not vintage, it is new, and it was from my local Tractor Supply. And I love my Cosmos. Those are florals from Hobby Lobby, and they are not expensive when they're on sale. The Cosmos can be used pretty much any season except maybe for Christmas. But some more inexpensive ideas. The greenery, again, also you can use that. And here is my whole look put together. And I used a lot of what I already had, and it didn't cost me really anything except for the little flags. Those were new. But all of it is items that I've already had on hand. I've either repurposed or used differently. And the books and the candle holders and the ribbon are certainly items that you can use all year long. You can use them in different decor seasons, and they're inexpensive, and they're just a really wonderful way to decorate, I